let's talk about ketone bodies, which I find are actually super fascinating. So, your brain is a greedy energy whore and uses way more energy than you would think in metabolism. And so usually it gets its energy from glucose metabolism of like glycolysis, breaking down glucose to get all the stuff that it needs. But sometimes in terms of, in states, that's the bitch, of starvation, where there's no glucose available, or in certain medical conditions where your body can't metabolize glucose, it has to get its energy from other sources. Since the brain cannot use energy from fatty acids because they cannot get past the blood-brain barrier, it has to use something else, and those something else being ketone bodies. So those ketone bodies are acetoacetate and beta-hydroxybutyrate. And they are made from acetyl-CoA, which is an intermediate in a lot of biological reactions, and it's used in a lot of places, including the synthesis of ketone bodies. So these ketone bodies are made and used when the brain needs energy and can't get it from the normal places. Unfortunately, those ketone bodies being used produces acetone, which is basically nail polish remover. That also lowers the pH in the blood, leading to ketoacidosis. So obviously, this is not an ideal solution, and is only used when the body's glycogen stores are basically used up, and so the body cannot get energy from sugars anymore because you don't have any sugar stores, and the brain cannot use fatty acids stored in adipose as like glycerol and fats, because they cannot get past the blood-brain barrier, and you need your brain to function, although some people don't use it. And so you need other sources to power this annoying bit of meat. And that's where ketone bodies come in, and I just thought that's interesting.